Hi guys, my name is Shabaz Salim. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Sak Creations. So guys, I am back after 2 months because I am busy in my work. So that's why I will not upload any video in my YouTube channel, and I also upload some short videos on YouTube channel, but long videos I am not uploading last 2 months. So I am sorry for that guys. So now we are making latest bridal blouse designs, and back shape is a different, like downside temple shape and upper side boat neck. Okay, and now we are start to stitching on the sleeves, and first we are stitching Zardozi load, and now needle we are using 8 number needle, and downside normal gold thread. Okay, and now we are on the back and start to stitching some flowers with the Zardozi. It's called rose flower, and it's a very antique work. That's why I think we need to share that type of work with you. And last 2 months I am not making any big videos and any bridal blouse designs, so I'm sorry for that guys, because I am very busy, and also I am going to my native place Lucknow, so that's why I am not making any videos. Okay, so now we are start to stitching thick spring on the upper of the sleeves. First we are stitching inside one thick spring line, and if you see the line, it's not straight, it's zigzag. Okay, and believe me guys, this blouse is a very heavy, and we are complete this designs approx 5 to 6 days. Okay, look at this, and we are also using 7 number wooden needle with the gold plated. And if you are stitching like sugar beads load or spring loads or thick spring loads, you also need 7 or 8 number needles. It doesn't matter it's wooden or iron. Okay, and now we are start to stitching some booties on the back neck, and back neck has no more work, like only one border and some booties. First we are stitching one zircon stand middle of the booties, and then we are stitching some sugar beads line with the moti. Okay, and making 6 type of flowers. And I also making fast on this video, because this work taking maximum 6 days, approx 6 days, so that's why I'm not explaining everything, but I just share with you guys most important and good points. Okay, so look at this, and now we are start to stitching upper of the sleeves, one sugar beads line and one 3 number moti, and again we are start to stitching sugar beads line. And guys, my English is not good, so if I'll do any mistake between my explanation, so please forgive me. Okay, and now we are stitching sugar beads line, cross lines for filling some free space. This blouse has a no combination color, only just gold and some silver color. Okay, and you also, if you want to learn this work properly, you can also join my online classes. We are taking all online classes on Instagram private account, so you can learn easily with us. Okay, and now we are start to stitching zigzag with the do tar needles. Okay, do tar needle is a very important tools for stitching thread, all type of thread, like resham or kasab. Okay, and this is not a single thread, these are 2 thread, gold 2 thread, and mix to each other, and then starting to stitching zigzag. Some places they are calling zigzag to pani work, but here in Hyderabad we are calling zigzag. And now we are start to stitching some booties middle of the sleeves, and also we are stitching some extra hangings on the sleeves. And now we are using some hand needles. Okay, I'll show you what is the hangings. Okay, I'll show you, wait. First we are taking one sugar beads with the moti, and then we are using more sugar beads. So, and now we are start to sticking some jerkins for shining. We always use jerkin for shining, because jerkin has looking very beautiful. Okay, Look at this, and this is a Fevicryl company. Lots of people ask me which company you are using. So this is a Fevicryl company. It's very famous in a zari line, so you can also use this. Okay, and then we are using some matchbox sticks for sticking jerkins. And after you sticking jerkins, you need to leave maximum 10 to 15 minutes for dry. Okay, so now this is a final look. I know guys, I am making short videos, not a full explanation like 10 to 15 minutes, but that's my problem, so please understand. Okay, so this is a tassels for dory. Okay, we are also customize any type of tassels. You just share me a pictures, I'll tell you what is the exact price. Okay, so now I'll show you the final look of the sleeves. So look at this, very grand blouse designs, approx taking 5 days, proper 5 days for complete this blouse designs. One worker properly work on this blouse designs. So this is a very grand and huge bridal blouse designs, and also cost is a very good, not a too much high, and very medium price, and also material are fully original. Okay, if you want to order this blouse designs, please do WhatsApp this same number. Thank you so much for watching.